Got me a drink. There's a Coke. It's raining. How you doing? Raining out here. I've got me some good footage on that wreck, car wreck down there.
Yeah.
I got me some good footage on here.
Oh,
No, the car.
Oh, wreck.
Yeah.
Why'd you been over here filming us?
Huh?
Why'd you been over here filming us?
I walked over here.
Oh, you gonna start filming it now?
I'm already filming.
You got the wreck?
Yeah, I got that wreck.
Yeah.
Look at that. They got some good cold ones. They got some good cold ones on them.
You stay there at Weberley Road, don't you?
My mama does.
I know, I done seen you.
Yeah.
You ride a bicycle the other week, wasn't you?
Yeah,
I
right.
seen you at.
Yeah, right. Get exercise and stuff all the time.
How your Facebook page doing? I mean, what you call?
Doing pretty good.
You doing pretty good? Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I'm picking up. I'm picking up.
You pick up more if you film other shit.
Huh?
Your shit go top notch, you film other shit.
Yeah, especially she just getting her got her a good beer right there in her hand, sucking it down.
She ain't got but one, she can't even handle that some bitch.
Oh, me. I say I'll let her walk down through here right quick.
Walk back up here, film others again.
All right. Everybody think they're leaving. Pack it up and leaving. Hey, fine. During YouTube channel, it's done started raining now. I think they packing up. I got some good footage down there where the car hit the wall. One of the volunteer firemen carried my camera over there. I got me some real good close-up pictures of it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Somebody wants to walk down there and look.
Yeah. Smack the wall.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, right
I
over
seen it
there.
when it happened.
Yeah. I run out there with that backpack on. Oh, hell, run out there with it on. I'll walk through here right quick. If they loading up, going home, I guess, because it's raining. Let me go over and get my stuff right quick. I can't leave it sitting there by itself. Got too much over there. No one can walk off with it still. Look at that birdie. She got her some cold ones in her hand. Cold ones.
In the restroom.
Oh, that yours?
One is.
One hers, one's his.
That's it. His and hers. That's
His and hers, that's where it be. Bud Light.
Yes.
Bud Light.
Yes. Bud Light.
See you later. Yep, rolling up, packing up, going home. And he got down there in the trailer. I won't get wet. It's on the live cross right over yonder on the other side of the trees. I ain't far from here. They packed up, packing that in there. That over there packed up. They putting them in, putting them away. That's a pretty Corvette. I like the Corvette.
Thank you.
Stingray.
Yeah.
Nice. That busted my ass. Tripped over the cord. That'd been my fault. There it is.
Must be nice, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I know.
I'm walking through here, everybody's leaving. I don't think the band who folks showed up ain't showing up. And one set oh Dodge. Ain't put that up yet. Car wrecked down yonder. Not before it started raining. And now they packing up because it's raining. Yeah.